Welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Unwana Udoh. Every week I share important content on how to improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. The topic today is when you have no money, do this. Throughout civilization, money has been a hot topic, because money makes the world go round. Money is the driving force in our daily lives, and without money, we can see all social ills manifest. Life gets challenging without money and becomes the bane of our existence. It is a fact that most of us will never get everything we want because of financial limitations. In short, we cannot have everything we want. There would have to be planning, or if not, some careful deliberation about whether we would be getting the item we want or not. This is because sooner or later, finances would always fall short of expenses. That is why we must manage our money and budget for things we want. Nevertheless, when we manage money without deprivation, life is more meaningful. Deprivation means curtailing our freedom to the point of not being able to enjoy some of our hard-earned money. It is ironic that we are already limited due to finances, yet would not want to be deprived. There has to be a balance. Here are things you can do when you have no money. Earn more money. One of the most common means for people to raise the level of financial freedom is to earn more money. However, this is limited to the many social factors which include the degree of educational achievement, time, job availability, and more often than not, personal accomplishments. Some people are fortunate to get a job despite their inexperience, while others, despite their educational achievements and accomplishments, are not able to secure their ideal job. If you found value so far, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends and family. Save more money. A classic way to manage money without deprivation is to focus on saving the excess money that flows in the household after deducting all the monthly expenses. Saving money means having money readily available when emergencies arise. Most households in America do not have at least $1,000 in a savings account to handle an emergency. We live in a society where we spend more than we make and rely on credit just to get by. This is one of the reasons why divorce rates are high and the debt burden on individuals and families is on the rise. As of the making of this video, we are currently experiencing a global health pandemic with dire consequences. It is imperative that we change our money mindset and rethink our relationship with money. This is why I created this YouTube channel, to share knowledge with as many people as possible to help them improve their financial lives. Life is too short and not worth going through stressing about money. Money is abundant and you just have to have the right knowledge on how to attract and retain money. Money hates to be idle and gets bored very quickly, and if you don't find a task for money, it will leave you. Make sure you increase your financial literacy by subscribing to this channel for weekly strategies you can apply in your personal finance. These are strategies I am applying to improve my personal finance and grow my wealth. Learn to be content. The degree of limitation and deprivation on a person's financial resources is dictated by their personal level of satisfaction. A person's idea of contentment is the same as his perception of what he needs and wants. A person who is want-oriented will always seek things that may already be unattainable at the current financial level and will feel deprived. On the other hand, a person who is need-oriented would be able to do away with leisure and may also feel deprived deep inside of finer things that may have been acquired. The key to managing money without deprivation is to learn to accept what is possible to attain. Now is the time to get your money situation in order. Don't procrastinate on your financial goals, and remember that time is your most prized asset. If you want things to change in your life, you must change. You have the power to change your situation no matter what obstacles you may be facing right now. So, take the first step now and get your financial life in order. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button. All I ask is you share this video with others, and let us grow this channel together. Thank you in advance for this. I appreciate my subscribers. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video on how to start a business without a lot of money. The next video on the screen contains important information you will love. Click to watch that video and I will see you there.